In this video, we will learn about how do you use import and export statements. In JavaScript, import and export statements are used to work with modules, allowing you to organize and share code between different files or projects. JavaScript में import and export statement यूज होता है मॉड्यूल्स को एक दूसरे कोड के बिटवीन में शेयर करना, यूटिलाइज करना to make function variables or classes available from a module. You can use export. अब देखिए एग्जांपल के थ्रू we know about the import and export statement very clear. Module name utils.js export a function. यहाँ पे we are exporting one function, export function great name, and exporting a constant. We can export a constant like this. We can export a class like this. Export class name, class and class name. And we can here we are exporting. Same we can import to use export function variable or class from another module. You can use import keyword. Import from util.js. Utils.js. First we have to declare like import greet py dot person from utils.js. We can import from util.js. Like in this file we can print the value from utils.js, like console.log greet alias. This function is exported from util.js module, and we are importing this module in different module, and we can use here we are printing greet alias and output will be hello alias. Same way we can print the constant value. Here we are printing the pi value. Same alias new person, we are importing this value and we can use in the different module. Notes: you can use import as module alias to import all export from module under a single namespace. Export, the default is used to export a single value, function, class, etc. from a module which can then be imported without curly braces. This statement helps structure large JavaScript applications by breaking them into a smaller, manageable pieces that can be reused across files. This is all about the import and export statements. In next video, we will learn about the what are default parameters. For now, thank you for watching. We will meet in the next video.